the beat, let feelings move. I'm ready for the rain of you. I was living in the silence, in a lonely afterglow, chasing lights on empty highways where the wild winds blow. Then your eyes became the sunrise, cutting through my gray. Now every step is burning sweet. You wash my fears away. Closer, I can hear your name. Thunder turning into flame. Hold me while the night ignites. We can dance through all our lives. It's a rain of love falling on my skin. Let it pour, let it pour, let the night begin. In a rain of love, you're my only view. Heart to heart, touch to touch, I keep running to you. It's a rain of love, washing off the pain. No more cold, no more down, only fire in the All the streets become a mirror when your shadow meets my soul. Every kiss is like a rhythm taking over full control. Let the sparks become our language. Let the drums decide our fate. In your arms I find my heaven. Don't let go, don't be late. Stronger when you pull me near. All my doubts just disappear. Stay with me, don't fade. with us.